So, hey guys, today my stickers came in. And I've been getting all my stickers from Sticker Mule. Very easy to set up an account and do your artwork and upload it to them, and they give you they'll send you like a proof, you know, to approve before they print and everything, and very easy to work with. Now, I was told by a friend of mine that, oh, he knows a guy that does stickers, let him know how much and all that stuff, because I'm paying too much money. I could be paying too much money, but you know, there's a price for convenience. It's very simple. I don't have to exchange money. I don't have to go find somebody. It's all done online, and it arrives today in the mail, you know, after a few days, about a week, I think. Not that long, really, considering I think these come from the East Coast. Yeah, so the same company did my big superado sticker on the truck. These are like 3 by 22, I think, almost 24 inches. These are like 13 bucks a piece. Black letters. There's a way to peel them off, and it worked out pretty good. I like them. Yeah, so I got these. These are from my website there. The only thing I didn't do on these is add the website address, you know, superado.net, because I ordered these before I set up the account. I was kind of apprehensive about setting up an account. I'm like, because it costs me money. It's like, is it worthwhile for me to set that up? So far, no, but we'll see. Gotta start making some money here somehow. So these are gonna go on my truck on the shell right here. I actually had another idea for those. I wanted something larger. I wanted them, I guess I could have done them differently, but hey, you learn as you go, you know. I do like the orange on the black. And the Sticker Mule sticker, that's just temporary. I put that on there with rubber cement, so I could peel it back off. It's just temporary. I just wanted to put it on there temporarily. I'm trying to, I'm working. Yeah, I am working. I'm not making any money, but I'm working, right? I'm trying to get something going here with that superado.net website. So I'm trying to get in some detailed information on lift kits specific for the Colorado LT back there. My Colorado 2018. So yeah, that's all I've been doing. So anyway, right now, yeah, I'm trying to get something going because I haven't worked in a while, and my unemployment is going to be running out pretty soon. So gotta think of something. Gotta sell more shirts or something here. Start collecting cans, right? But right now, I'm glad I didn't throw these parts out. This is the strut extender that comes with the rough country kit. Okay, it's a pretty heavy piece of suspension kit here. Now, instead of running a spacer kit on the top of the strut, so here's the strut right here. Typically, most kits run a spacer kit on the top here. Goes in between this top plate and the frame. These extend from the bottom, and basically the strut slides in there. The bottom right here, they give you these aluminum bushings. You gotta change those out. You take the rubber ones out, you put these in, then you slide it in there. Slide the bottom through that bolt, tighten everything up, and there's your new mounting location there. So that extends it. So it'll sit inside there like that. So it's held in there by the bolt, just like the factory, but it also has this clamp here to steady it up on the tube. Okay? Pretty heavy, well-made stuff. I thought that was kind of neat. Yes, I had to get a picture of that. I don't have a picture of this, so I just wanted to show that real quick. That's what that is. Over here, I've got these shocks laying around because I was running these on the Bronco. I got a dual shock setup on the all the way around on the Bronco, and these were a little too stiff, double shocked on the rear, so I changed them out. And so these are just sitting here, and they're just the perfect length for the Colorado. So I was thinking, you know what? I had to take those rough countries off and put these on and see what the difference is. So here's the one I got from the Bronco, right? This is the factory shock off the rear of the Colorado. Look at the size difference in the tube there. The length is perfect. It's just a little longer. Probably like a 3/4 of an inch. It's a cell phone shock. It's not a gas shock. Ran these on the Tacoma too. But my issue is I can't find the freaking bushings for these things. See this big bushing here? I need these for that. These are too small. And I got some urethane. I got some new urethanes, but I don't have that sleeve, so I drove all over looking for that. Nobody's got them, so that's on hold. I don't need them. I just like to try them. I think I could use a little stiffer strut on that truck, or shocks on the rear and on the front. Those Foxes are still too soft. I think they need more rebound and compression control on them, for my liking anyway. Also I was running these. Originally I was running these on the Colorado, okay? Just because I went with the low budget way, where you use the factory strut and the spring. I figured I'd upgrade later on. So I did upgrade, and I upgraded to the Rancho RS 5000X. And those rode really good. I used the Ranchos with this bracket because they didn't make it. They didn't make one for a 6-inch kit. You got to use the bracket. Unfortunately, those didn't last very long. They drove good around town, but when I went off road, they were a noticeable improvement. I mean, really noticeably better ride off road. Except they didn't last the weekend out in Death Valley. On my way home, I thought it was bouncing around a lot, you know. Not till I got home did I actually test it out and realize there's nothing left in these things. It's boing, yoing, yoing, yoing. So I don't know what the issue was. I talked to Rancho the other day about that, and they're like, they told me, oh, I should have used the 700s or the 7000 gas pressure struts, but I told him, hey, we're way past that. I told him I'm on the Fox 2.5s. So yeah. Anyway, Rancho does have a guarantee, and they stood behind their guarantee and gave me a full refund for those struts. So anyway, that's all I got to say. I need to get the picture of this right here.